Hello, hello. This is Pat with Petresca Papers. I am out in the Bluebird Bungalow with part 4 of the Gratitude Lives Here tab-bound gratitude journal. I have all of my little bits and pieces cut out, and they came off of a sheet similar to this, but I chose the smaller ones. This is for the doors, which are this size in that mega autumn kit that I will link below. But I have cut my other one up. I can't even see the leftovers. So, but I've cut out my windows. I've inked them. I cut out a pumpkin, and I've cut out some stairs, and I'm ready to assemble. So I will link that kit below, and I will link where you can get the ephemera. And if you're just finding me, welcome. If you are one of my subscribers, welcome back. I hope you are being inspired to do something on the lines of gratitude. I don't like that. I know what I was going to do. I was going to take a black pen and color it. I don't think I've got one. I'll do that after because I want that to be like the door showing through. But let's do the door first. So I'm going to put a wreath on the door. And again, these are on the sheet in the mega kit. You can do this as a whimsical house where you just cut bits and pieces of paper, making it a cute whimsical house. Don't make your doors straight. You know, make them as an angle. I'm going to do just a titch of glue there. I have a glue dot, but I think I took my little ones in the house. They did not come back out with me. Oh, come on. Come on. These are so old. They were supposed to be self-stick, but they are so old they lost their stick. Okay, now I'm going to do my stairs. They're going to go right down there at the bottom. I'm working from the ground up. There were several styles of stairs that I could choose from. I don't know where it happened to that piece. It's buried somewhere. Okay, now is that even-ish? Yeah. Okay. Let's put the door on. It would be fun to make the door a true door that would open, and then you could have a little message inside there. I have this little kick plate. I think I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it. I cut it out. Let's do it. All right. Like that. I've always thought those shiny kick plates look so classy. Okay. I've got an address. And I think it needs to go on the side where the doorknob is. I've got glue on my doorknob. Okay, and I'm hoping that there's going to be room for my window. Let's find out. It's going to be tight. So this is going to go right up next to the door. And then this window, go there. It is what it is. Okay, there. And on that other side. It's got to come over or look weird. It looks weird now, but I'm going to put this little welcome sign like that. That'll kind of balance that out, I hope. Like that. I've got a little pumpkin that's going to sit down on this stair there. A little further down, right there. And then I've got 2 more windows. I'm going to bring them in a little further. It's probably not how they would look on a house, but my house was built by me. Okay, let's do that like that. Okay, before we do the gratitude lives here in this window, I want to put this little trim along there. And I think if my Fabri-Tac will cooperate, I'm going to use that. And I don't know. It's been a while. Come on. Oh, there we go. Take it along there. And I'm going to leave it upside down because I need to do that on the back also. So put that trim right along there. And I'm going to use some of this. I'm not sure what this came off of, but it's that non-stick, the back of tape. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I've got too much glue. Oh, I hate it when I do that. Okay. And let's use these scissors. Trim that just like that and like that. Isn't that a shame? And I think I probably have one of those glue erasers, and we'll get that taken off. Let's put the gratitude lives here, and I think because I've got these brads on the back, I'm going to use this Fabri-Tac, and I'm going to be wise and not get it right near the edge. Let's flip it over. Gratitude lives here. And one more window up in the attic. Just like, I'm just getting glue everywhere. Okay. And my house has, I don't know, yeah, I got that on there. My house has a back porch. And this looked like a back porch door, and I've got some stairs. They look like they're made out of slate. They're going to go just right there. And you could put bushes and you could put trees. I'm not gonna. I could, but I'm not going to. I have on my Christmas ones and the Bluebird Bungalow Home Sweet Home. Okay, so there's the back door. I think that's middle. I don't know. And then there's 2 windows at the back of my house. It's kind of nice having this checkerboard, because then I kind of can follow that line across. I guess that's just about it. Right there. And let's get this trim on, and let's see if I can be smarter. I doubt it. Trying to do just the tiniest bit. And here we go. Let's get the straightest. Well, that's not it. This I'll have to do right there and there. Oh. I don't want to push hard, but I have to push down. Still came through just a little bit, but at least it is stuck. And I'll trim this off again. And off of there. And I've got this little tiny give thanks, and I think I'm going to put that on this back door. Okay. Well, there is my cute Gratitude Lives Here house. So I'll link links to the playlist for this, and there will be one more, I think only one more. I will do a flip through once I get all of my tags and ephemera and everything. There will be a flip through. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I hope this inspires you. We'll talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.